Okay guys, so hari ni kita akan pergi ke Arta Suave. Arta Suave ke Arte Suave ke. So kita akan pergi MMA gym, di mana malam ni dia ada buat open match. Kita akan pergi sana, kita akan sparring, kita akan buat MMA, kita akan buat jiu-jitsu. So hari ni aku pergi dengan korang tau. Jom ikut aku, let's go. Ada kereta terbakar tu. Gelap ke? Gelap. Dah gelap pula. Sampai dah guys. Dekat 20-30 minit juga sebab salah-salah jalan kan. So ni aku nak pergi dekat sini, Arte Suave. Ni dia Arte Suave. Okay, jom kita naik. Dia dekat tingkat 1. Satu. Dah lambat dah. Tak ada lah lambat sangat sebenarnya. Patutnya dia ada 2 kelas kan. 7.30 satu kelas, 8.30 satu kelas. Aku tak sempat lah datang 7.30 ni kelas. Okay, jom. Wah, tingkat 3 pula Mat. Tinggi Mat. Kalau kau nak tahu, coach dia daripada Brazil tau. So very good coach lah. Very good. It's a black belt jiu-jitsu. So yeah, jom kita naik. Satu lagi. Oh, dah dengar dah bunyi. Korang masuk, korang kena celup kaki dekat tempat ni dulu supaya kaki korang bersih. Jangan kotor-kotor masuk dekat mat.
What is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in. Just counting.
Okay, aku dah ready dah tukar baju dah. Jom kita start. Kita akan start warm up dulu, jom.
Another win. Can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love.
So, dekat sini dia ada rules tau. So, contohlah kalau korang datang lambat kan, kau tak boleh terus masuk. It's very disrespectful lah. Kau kena tunggu dekat luar, and then coach akan panggil kau masuk. Either kau boleh main ataupun kau tak boleh main. Kau kena stay dekat luar. It's very good for kau punya disiplin lah. So, lain kali datang awal. Jangan datang lambat. Jangan jadi macam aku datang lambat.
Live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. All in one. Where I'm at, you need some drive, get a license, or you get caught up downtown way too enticing. Dark days, brighter lights in the night. Keep it cool, play it right, skip the.
Gear dah pakai dah. Simpad pun dah pakai dah. So, tak tahulah apa kita nak buat. Sparring kot. Okay, kita akan sparring kot. So, jom. Oi,
The famous pagi.
dia kena tip tau. Sebab apa? Kalau tak nanti kan velcro ni kena muka kau, berkicap kan.
Wah, engage lah brother pakai.
Engage yang dah lama. Dan nipis lah engage ni.
Sorry lah, buruk pula.
Penting dia wrap. Nak pakai mouth guard ke tak?
Ikut lah, aku tak pakai. Ikut aku.
Okay. Settle lah. Dia dah wrap dah tangan aku.
If you see me against her, be harder is me and between us. Don't try to do the same thing. If you see me against Effie, be harder. We both gonna fight same thing. Alright? Don't copy us. Do your thing. What's your thing? Technical. You land, but you land clean. But no slow motion. Real time. Real. You get your timing in. Okay? Real speed. No slow motion. None of this. Go. You go. Okay. I go. No. Proper technique. The way if you land clean, it doesn't hurt you. That's the way you have to train, alright? You land clean, it doesn't hurt you. It looks like, but doesn't. Alright? She blocks. A kick, it doesn't hurt both of us. I let it clean, doesn't hurt. Face. Wait. So, it doesn't hurt. If lands, because my job is to land on you clean. Okay? Your job is to protect yourself at all times, okay? None of this. No, your opponent will not stop. Your opponent will kill you instead. Alright? Don't show weakness.
Okey. Sekarang ni aku akan sparring MMA dengan dia punya coach. So, tengok macam mana berlaku. Boleh tak aku handle coach ni daripada Brazil, black belt jiu-jitsu, experience berapa tahun main MMA.
Bison, kick it up, getting into the end zone. 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 Darling, that's another hustle play. Vitamins, doing more than one a day. I just get it off the muscle. Gotta run it in off the shuttle. We can't even talk about it, especially when your boys ain't even being solid. Oh, of a kind, I hand it to you. Don't pay no mind.
Okey, geng. Sekarang kita akan train jiu-jitsu. Kita dah habis sparring semua. Kita akan fokus dekat ground grappling pula.
I could never do it. We and I could grow it. That is not the movement. Got that earth, wind, and fire, baby. Now.
Dah pakai gi dah. Sebab aku kalau pakai gi nampak smart weh. Cuma tak pandai main je. Tapi tak apa. Kita belajar. Kita datang tempat orang, kita belajar. Belajar apa yang kita boleh dapat daripada gym lain. Sebab gym lain, setiap gym dia ada kelebihan dia masing-masing. So kita ambil ilmu sini sikit, sini sikit. Then kita apply. Kalau benda tu boleh pakai, kita pakai. Benda tu tak boleh pakai, kita ambil sebagai satu knowledge je.
We were certain stressed and tired, I had to be a student. Step the double up the volume, lead it to it. Yeah, lead it to it. Kick it up, getting into the end zone. 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 I'm here for a long ride. They talking from the wrong side, it's gonna be a long night. We just wanna ball right. We just wanna ball right. Yeah.
Ready, man?
Ready bro, ready.
How you feel, bro?
Susah tu. Aku rasa pakai gi susah. Aku rasa macam main benda lain. Grappling yang another level, different world lah bro. So korang kena try pakai gi. Lain macam masa tu.
Roll.
So tadi kita roll BJJ and tadi kita sparring MMA. Pas sparring MMA aku sparring dengan coach tadi. Coach dia daripada Brazil. So memang susah gila, laju gila, kiri kanan dia pergi. Kejap ke kiri, kejap ke kanan, kejap ke kiri, kejap ke kanan. Dan suddenly apa lagi? Kejap ke kiri, kejap ke kanan. Memang tak boleh nak handle lah dia punya pace dia kan terlampau laju kan. Kita orang go light je tapi high intensity high intensity but light in a control manner. And then kita orang buat apa tau, and then kita orang buat apa nama ni, BJJ tapi pakai gi. So BJJ pakai gi ni memang lain Hari tu dalam video lepas aku ada share juga, aku buat BJJ pakai gi, memang lain. Nana Mamat ni memang daripada Brazil, memang negara dia memang buat Brazilian, nama pun Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu kan. Jadi aku roll dengan dia memang tak dapat buat apa Dia jadi patung dia jadi patung. Settle dah, aku pun nak balik dah. Badan pun dah lesu, dengan lemang semua dah terbakar semua. So, kat mana kita punya gym lepas ni? Korang kena follow, korang kena like and cuba korang komen kat bawah tu. Korang nak aku pergi gym mana pula. Tapi jangan lupa tekan subscribe Okay, jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.